Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to Alight Motion and this full beginner guide to efficient editing. Open the app and start a new project with 1920 x 1080 canvas and 16:9 aspect ratio. Set your frame rate to 30 FPS for smooth playback and set an initial duration to 5 seconds if you are practicing. Notice the layout: layers on the left, timeline in the center, and effects panels on the right. Learn these controls first to speed up every future project. Bring your assets into the project by tapping the plus icon and selecting video, image, or audio. Place each asset on its own layer and position it using transform controls with X and Y coordinates. Use keyframes on the timeline to animate position, scale, rotation, and opacity with precise timing. Apply easing like ease in and ease out to create natural motion between keyframes. Trim clips to exact seconds, and set opacity by percentage for smooth transitions. When you finish editing, tap Export and choose Video Codec H. 264 for broad compatibility and good compression. Set the resolution to 1080p and the frame rate to 30 FPS unless you need higher quality for specific platforms. Choose a moderate bitrate to balance quality and file size, or lower bitrate to create smaller files for quick uploads. Save your project file to device storage and enable cloud backup to prevent accidental loss. For smaller files, shorten duration or reduce bitrate before exporting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.